Hi everyone, it's Elaine, Pickled Ginger Marketing. I want to show you very, very quickly how to check if Google has indexed your blog page. I get this asked a lot, and someone actually we were talking the other day about how long in general Google takes to crawl and index blog posts and everything. So it really does depend. So it doesn't come up overnight. So please don't think you've done a blog and you've optimized it and formatted it and it's going to be there straight away, as in a Google search and index. But this is how you check. Okay, so this is my website. I've gone into that's where my blogs are, and I've gone up here into my latest blog, which is here, Digital SEO Marketing for the Best Return on Investment. Okay, so I'm just going to go up to the URL here, and I'm going to copy it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into a new tab, and I'm going to write the word site in, so literally like this, site, colon. It's actually come up already there, so I'm just going to say it wasn't already there, but of course I've checked it. I'm going to paste the copy, and when I hit return, this is what comes up on the Google search. So it's here. This is exactly my blog. This means, because it is here, it means it has been indexed by Google, which means that it can be found on the search engines. Obviously I've optimized it and I've formatted it for Google to be able to find. You need to put those keywords in, but that's literally if you want to see if Google has actually indexed your blog post. That's what you need to do. You need to go into your blog, actual there. Remember, you highlight it and copy it, and then you go into new Google search, and then you just type in site, SITE, colon, and then you paste. Press return, and then it should come up. If it's not come up, then it hasn't been indexed. Okay, I hope that helps. Bye.